So this is the LEFANT M213. This is an updated unit from the M210 and the 21B. This is coming with the mop pad. It is also coming with two side sweeper brushes feeding into the mouth here. You can see the action. You also have heavy duty wheels. This is going to be using the free move technology, which is an updated algorithm, so it's going to have better pathing and work through your spaces faster. And the charging block is going to be right here, so you're going to be charging it through a traditional charger that connects the cable through the sign, and there's an indicator light here. Very straightforward in terms of overall use. Now, what are the special features here? Well, after you're going to be feeding it into this space, you have the dustbin, the 500 millimeter dustbin right here, and this is going to be able to store a lot of stuff. So let's talk about the more vacuum related information that you should know. Well, if you just run this on the silent mode, which is 3 different modes on here, you have silent, you're going to have max, and you're going to have standard. So on silent, you're going to be getting about 100 minutes of runtime. On max, which is the most powerful setting that's fully utilizing the 2200 Pascal suction of your Robovacuum, which is tremendous when you compare it to other Robovacuums because it's not very large and it's not very expensive. So when you think about it like this, you're getting 2200 suction Pascal, and that max setting, you know, they listed at about 70 minutes. In our testing, we got about 50 to 55 minutes total before it had to be recharged. And on normal mode, you're going to be getting about 70 to 75, maybe 80 minutes in real life. Now, it's going to be great for areas like underneath your cabinets, underneath your sofa, underneath your bed, and you don't have to worry about it not performing, because I've had mine for about, I would say about a year on the 210, and on the 213 we've been testing it for about a week. So we're going to be showing you how to use this mop. This is how straightforward it is. There's no water tank here. You're just going to get this mop a little bit wet. You're going to be inserting the mop here. It clips in. And now, as this vacuums, this is also going to be mopping your floors. It's more like a light sweeper mopper than it's going to be on the heavy duty side. It doesn't have the scrubbing action. However, for the value, you know, you cannot be more than impressed with what you get for your money. This is also, it comes with the LEFANT pads here, so these are going to be fast drying without any water stains, and they come with 5 in the box. You can order more if you so choose. And if you're wondering how frequently do I have to clean this, or in terms of my maintenance, you're going to be replacing these side brushers every 3 to 6 months, depending on how frequently you use them. You want to make sure you keep your wheels clean. And if you want to know how frequently you should change the filter here, the filter is going to be about, you want to clean it every 2 sessions, and that means you're going to be replacing it every 3 to 6 months. This Robovac inches in diameter and 3 inches tall. The combination of the small size of this unit, the combination of addition of just a pad that you can add on a scrubby pad here that you can wet yourself, or a dusting pad, so you can double clean your floors along with the side brush rolls. That means this is going to be great for areas like hardwood, tile, low pill carpet, or rugs. But if you're wondering, is this going to be working on higher pill carpet? Yes, it can navigate those surfaces because of the heavy duty wheels. And because of those heavy duty wheels, you'll find that it's not going to be at a disadvantage on higher pill carpet, because it can still navigate and go through those surfaces. It might not have the main brush roll mouth here that a lot of your traditional vacuums or Robovacuums might be coming with, but I don't find that a deterrent, because if you use this on tile, a small apartment, on a smaller living space, or just a more smooth living space floor surface, you'll notice that this performs just as well as many of your traditional Robovacuums because it has more power. And with that, let's show you what it can do. So in this test, we're going to test it on rolled oats, and I want everyone to notice how quiet the Robovacuum is. So we're just going to drop a few rolled oats, actually quite a lot of rolled oats, onto the floor, and this is to test how well the sound brushes work. Can it pick everything up? And you can also notice on the left, we have the app experience all there for you. It's really simple to set up, and you're going to have that standby smart, and smart, you can also change the power settings for your Robovacuum. So thanks for watching, everyone. This is David with the French Glow signing off. Just letting you know that this is a pretty easy to use and very affordable unit. Thanks guys, I'll catch you next time. Bye.